In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in on a specific area in Capcut, just like this. But before we get started, please keep in mind that you can either zoom in on a video or on an image. Many people think that it is only a video you can apply the zoom in effect, but that is not always the case. You can actually do that with an image as well. For this tutorial, I'm going to use an image to demonstrate how to apply the zoom in effect to a specific area. So to do that, I will just go to my image on my video, then I will drag it to the timeline in Capcut. Keep in mind that the way you apply zooming effect to an image, that is the same way you can do it to a video as well. The next thing I want to do is to decide the particular area I want to zoom into. For instance, for this image, I want to zoom in to this particular area, this particular product here, which the seller is selling to the buyer. Right? Can you see it here? I want to zoom in on this area. So after you have decided the area you want to zoom into, the next thing is to decide where you want the zoom in to start. Right now, the play aid is at the beginning of this video, but I don't want it to start at the very beginning. I want it to start few seconds after the video begins. So I will drag the play aid to somewhere here. This is where I want the zoom effect to begin. So in your case, you might decide where you want to start and when you want the zoom in effect to begin. So after you have decided, draw or drag your playhead to that position. The next thing to do is to tap on the image or the video, then go to this video category here at the top right corner. Then you see this option that says transform. At transform, you see this option, this diamond icon here. The diamond icon allows you to add keyframe. So the diamond icon is just to add keyframe. Now let me click on it to add keyframe. Now as you can see, I have added my first keyframe. The next step is to move the playhead a little bit far away and add another keyframe. To do that, don't click on this place again, just go to your image, then resize the image to the point where you want to zoom into. You can actually move it to the center of a video. By doing this, you have successfully applied the zoom in effect. Now let's play it to see how it looks like. Zoom in, right? So this is how you can apply the zoom in effect. So let's assume that after the zoom in, you want to return to the original position. What you do immediately after the zoom in, split this part by pressing Ctrl B. After splitting it, move the playhead to somewhere here, then resize it to 100. Then I will reposition it. This is the normal clip, right? So if I want to play it from the beginning, this side will look like normal, right? So it changed from zooming to normal. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one.